time you pick up a pencil, take a drink of water, or even take a breath, you are exposed to potentially harmful pathogens. To keep these invaders from making us sick, our body has several lines of defense. The external barriers keep most pathogens from ever entering the body. If the pathogens manage to penetrate the external barriers, they encounter our internal defenses. The skin, mucous membranes, and the substances they secrete are our external barriers against pathogens. Our skin and mucous membranes provide a physical barrier that the pathogens must penetrate. They also secrete substances that help kill harmful microbes. If a pathogen manages to get past our external barriers, it encounters the internal nonspecific immune responses of the body. Phagocytes, including macrophages, engulf bacteria and destroy them. Natural killer cells attack the plasma membrane of virus-infected cells, causing the cells to rupture. Many proteins are involved in nonspecific responses as well. For example, proteins of the complement system help attract white blood cells to sites of infection. Researchers learn more about our immune responses. They can develop more effective treatments for diseases. For example, interferon is turning out to have a larger role in treating viral infections. As scientists understand the functions of other proteins and chemical signals, they can use that knowledge in various applications for improving health care.